Hi, good afternoon, 2nd of November 2017, and today is my 197th video. So some of the things, which have been very, very perturbing to me, and I want to address them. Every time I give you a call, if I recommend a stock, please do not trade in futures and option. And if you're doing so, you are responsible for your losses and your, profits. We are not responsible. You have to understand, if we just give you something, you have to analyze yourself and do not just close your eyes and enter. I'm so very disappointed. So many people have told me that they are trading in ICIL and they are trading in one lot of future, which is not correct. I have never said that you should buy it in futures. Future option and cash market are totally different, of course technically they are same, but what happens, cash market is just, you can carry forward it for 1 year, 2 year, but what happens to the future? It expires. So please do not do that. When I'm making a video itself, it is just going up so beautifully. I'm having so much of pain in my heart, because you people are losing. This is not done. If I give you a price and you happen to miss it, please do not enter again, right? Don't enter. Let it be a missed opportunity. Just do not do that. And I'm feeling very, very bad. Don't do this. Whatever I talk on the public forum is actually the cash stock, not never, never, never. They are future stocks. Okay, so this is 𝐸𝐴𝐚. Let me just go to one day and see what's happening. Probably one day will give me a better opportunity to explain, because so much of, see, no, it is on a support, right? It is definitely on a support. But I don't know how long the support. When I gave, it was somewhere here, 117. We were here at this point, somewhere this point we were, and then it gave a run up till about 123 and 124 or so, which sounded okay, like it gave you good 3, 4, 5% return, and you should have exited at that time. But please, I'm requesting you with folding hands, don't enter when the stock has already moved. It cannot be entered. Please don't do this. I'm requesting you people, if you will not protect your capital, nobody will protect it for you. You will have to protect your capital. Fine. So anyway, now I'm hoping that some kind of relief should come to you. It should bounce back a little bit, and then only we can say yes, we could close the trade with lesser profits. So let's talk about Nifty. Let's see what's happening in Nifty. This is Nifty cash chart, right? Let's go to 15 minutes of Nifty chart. See here, it's on a very, very strong support of 50 moving average. And also from looking into the Nifty, the Nifty option chain also, it doesn't look to me at all, from any angle it should go down. Like if you look into 10,400, the put writing is happening, means they are sealing the border at 10,400. In no way it should go down below 10,400, right? And so that is what you can see here as well. It's taking a good support and bouncing back, right? So some of the stocks, but again I've been repeatedly saying, please watch my videos carefully, that you have to hold your positions very tightly. Small profits are acceptable, but losses are not acceptable, right? Losses are not acceptable at all, no matter what. So hold your positions with tight stop losses. Even if it is in cash, please hold them, right, with stop losses. If you are in profit, book your profits and stand out of the market. Doesn't matter, we'll enter again when we'll see a stability in the market, right? So see, Nifty has bounced back. This is Nifty, which is bouncing back. Let's quickly look into the international scenario. What's happening in the international scenario? FTSE, what's happening to FTSE? Open little gap down and trying to hold itself. DAX and FTSE and CAC. So they are all little weak, but Nifty looks solid. Look at here. So if suppose this candle doesn't go above 10 moving average, like this is 15 minutes graph, if it doesn't go above 10 moving average, then Nifty may have a probability of coming down. But in case MACD crossover takes place, RSI goes above and the next candle forms here, then it has a good probability of going up. It definitely has a good probability of going up, right? So in the morning I have traded in Oro Pharma. My trade was Oro Pharma. I entered somewhere here just at the beginning of this second candle at 788 and I exited at 796. That was one trade that I did today, and the other trade was SRF. The other trade I did was SRF. I entered in buy position somewhere here at this candle, and with very few profit I exited. A very less profit, 1735, I exited it. Okay, so what I'm saying now, two stocks which look little bearish to me, like which I believe will come down. One of them is Apollo Tire. I'm not saying you create a position here, you sell it, or you do buy put. No, I'm not suggesting you anything, because it needs a lot more understanding about the market. I'm not giving you anything. I'm just discussing. And the other stock that looks to me with little bit weak is Federal Bank, right? See the selling that has been coming into it. So it looks little weak to me. And the two stocks that I feel are little weak right now are Apollo Tires, and see this long tail candle that it has made, and 1, 2, 3, 4 days, the resistance that it has experienced. It kind of tells me that the stock is on little weakness. So let's see what happens. We don't know how it will, whether it's going to bounce back, it's going to go up. I have no idea. But of course we do have a good idea also by looking into the various other, its open interest and the option chain and etc. So from there we have got a fairly good idea. So but I'm little bearish on them. And then this is Power Grid. So Power Grid looks very solid to me. Power Grid looks very solid to me in for intraday as well as for the long-term perspective. In Power Grid looks very good, right? So you can look into all of these stocks with your own understanding. You can see what's happening in them. And just a sec. Okay, so now some of the stocks that I've given you, they have done extremely well. HCC, I think I gave it about somewhere here only. I think we bought it somewhere here at about 36 or here at this point, right? 35 or 36. So I think those who want to book profit can book, or otherwise you can wait for this 10 moving average to come here. Then you can enter again, because now it's not doing anything. It's just waiting. But I still feel it has to go up. There is one stock which I gave about, I think, 2 months back. Those who watch my videos regularly must be remembering it. It's called, it's Gokul Agro, right? It has done so well today. It has given a good breakout. Gokul Agro. So look at it. Good. This is a breakout that it has given today. I have given it to you about this point only. Somewhere around this, I don't know where I gave it at 21 rupees if I remember correctly, 21 or 22 rupees, and then it is at 30. It even touched 30.5 today. So these penny stock, just if I remember very clearly that when I gave this stock, let me just go to my YouTube channel. When I gave this stock, I said that these kind of stocks you just enter and hold them, hold them for quite good time, hold them for good time, and they will give you good returns. And these are penny stocks, so you don't need to give you don't need to invest 1 lakh or so. Just put 10,000 rupees. That's good enough. And I remember it very clearly. Gokul Agro is what I have given it to you on YouTube. I just want to see the date so that I can see what value did I give. But I definitely gave it long back. I gave it. So these penny stock, you know, if they are technically sound and they are not very bad with respect to, you know, looking into the technicals, then you can definitely enter into them. Fine. So this stock has given a good breakout today, good 10%, more than 10%, 10-15% breakout it has given. So find out some stocks like that. One of the stock that I've been watching very closely is also, which has given a good about 100% return in couple of in a month or so, is Savaria Agro. I mean, I believe all agro tech stocks are giving good returns. So find out, you know, stocks which are basically penny stock. Watch this penny stock. I think this is JVL Agro. So if I remember correctly, I made you people here. So I think this was a particular video where I said that watch this particular stock. I remember clearly I gave JVL Agro. Gokul Agro, sorry, Gokul Agro is what I gave, right? So this penny stock, abhi still also it has got a huge amount of steam in it. So look for the correct opportunity and then you can enter into it. And these kind of stock you can just leave for years. You can just leave them for years. See, this is Gokul Agro, right? And I gave it on 3rd of August. And today is what date? Today is 2nd of November. So August, September, October, 3 months. And 3 months, and where was it on 2nd of August? It is somewhere 2nd of August, it was somewhere here at this point, 24 rupees, right? 24 rupees is where I gave it to you. And look at it today, it's 20% up. It's gone 6 points up, means 20% up. In 3 months, if it's giving a good return of 20%, I think it's really a good return. I don't think so. One can get better returns than this in any other instrument. You know, like if you look into the bank, they give you 7 to 8% per annum. Then if you look into, just a sec. Okay. So, so if you look into, any other instrument, they will not give you so much of return. And this is painless, you know, like you do whatever you work in your office, this will be like a passive income that you have. So identify such stocks, they will give you good returns. Just buy them, keep them, and forget about them. One fine day, you will be like that caller. You remember a few days back, somebody called up and he said that my grandfather had bought 20,000 rupees MRF tire shares. I don't know how many shares, 100 shares or so. And then today the MRF tire share is about 60,000 rupees each, right? So you will be in that category one of the days. And I have given you a very another stock that, I'm telling you, which also had a breakout. This is I want you to keep this also on your radar. This is Lincoln Pharma, right? This is 1-day graph of Lincoln Pharma or something. I mean, it's Linco Pharma, Lincoln Pharma or something like that. I want to show you. This is 1 day. Look into its week graph, right? On a verge of having a breakout. Look into its month graph, which is just above 10 moving average, right? So this is very good. This kind of a setup is very good. Another thing, I was trying to work out for you people, what you can really do is that look for, MACD crossover in 1 month, 1 week, right? 1 week or 1 month. If you really want to invest for a very long duration, so look for an opportunity for 1 week or 1 month, right? 1 week or 1 month. So wherever the crossover takes place in 1 week, right, enter into your stock. This is 1 month graph. So you could have entered into this particular stock at 229 and it has gone. So look for this MACD crossover and RSI crossover. above 40 or above 60 in 1 month graph, and you will see this beautiful run up, right? So that is for those people who want to do long-term investing, very, very long-term investing. So this is MACD crossover, RSI crossover. Enter into this stock at 70 rupees, right? So this is particularly for those guys who want to invest for a very, very long duration, right? You buy it at this point and sleep. Just forget it. This momentum down for 2 months shouldn't really bother you. Or even if you're bothered about it, this is month of 11-16, so you convert this into day graph, right? Convert it into day graph and enter whenever the candle goes below one day candle, below the graph, right? Below the 10 moving average. That's the time you exit. So this is for those guys who want to invest for long term. Make your graph as long, as big as you want. 1 month crossover for extremely long term, and if it is 1 week crossover, it is going to be also giving you a good turnover. See here, beautiful crossover. This point, beautiful crossover, and the stock is in the uptrend. Very nice uptrend. So find out such, these will turn into multi-bagger stock, right? So I am also looking forward for my 200th video. Today is 197th video. 198 tomorrow. 190, 199, 200 and 201. I'll show you exactly what goes behind the scenes. How do we work? I mean, it's for us, there is no day, there is no night, there is only work. I mean, we in the morning, early morning, tracking news. Then 8:45 we begin our work, and then of course then 3:30 we are busy, and then after that again we do the post research. So how we go about it, that is what I'll be showing you. So looking forward to see you all at the webinar, and please do your research before you invest. Do not just blindfold your eyes. It's same as, even if you accept my tips without any, research, it's exactly same as taking anyone else's tip. My whole idea is to teach you people. I want you to be responsible for your money, right? And that is why I insist so much on, learning. So learning is something I want to provide you. People sit in the market and earn money. There is no one who's interested in teaching, and I'm here taking responsibility for you to, learn. So only thing is you have to take an initiative, right? So with this, I'm signing off. My webinar is on 4th of November, and it'll last for 15 days. It'll be for 1.5 hours to 2 hours every day. Please join, learn. We are promising you will earn the amount that you're investing within no time. Within no time. We take from you about 2 months, but I am 100% sure you will earn it within no time. So with this, hope that you all will resolve to learn and then only enter in the market, I'm signing off. And also one more thing that I want to tell you, that HDFC Bank and SBI and Bank is taking a bit more longer time, but don't worry, those who want to pay by HDFC Bank or SBIN, just email it to us or WhatsApp to us. We will give you the first class link like that. You can just join in, because that's a icebreaker class. Our teaching will start from Monday, and by Monday I'm 100% sure the link will be valid. Okay, we will be able to you'll be able to definitely pay by HDFC Bank. Okay, with this I'm signing off. See you soon. See you on 4th. I'm also waiting eagerly for you all. Bye bye.